Hi, this is Sonia reporting for SunSpots, and I'm standing in front of this beautiful tree, and I'm pretty sure it's called a cherry blossom, but I'm not sure, and if I get stung, you guys will know why, because there's bees all over it. This week on SunSpots, you'll see highlights from boys and girls basketball, our team ski trip video, interviews from our baseball coach, Mr. Neander, a photography slideshow from the LA Zoo from our photography class, and Arizona campus video. And lastly, an amazing morning assembly music concert featuring Nick. Enjoy!
This is Justin reporting for SunSpots. The boys and girls had a great basketball game. Let's go to the highlights. This is Justin reporting for SunSpots. Last weekend, our students went on a ski trip. Let's go to the highlights.
This is recording for SunSpots.
SunSpots.
We are in Mountain High. Let's check it out.
Hi, this is Sonia reporting for SunSpots again. I'm standing here in the dugout, and did you know that the baseball season just started and they're killing it? And did you know that there's a girl on the baseball team, and her name is Natalia? So go, Natalia! We're going to go and interview Mr. Neander, their baseball coach. Go, Sun!
What's up, everybody? This is Santi reporting for Sunspot, and I'm here with the head coach and the coach of the varsity baseball team of Southwestern Academy. Our team had a very successful season the last year, probably the best in Southwestern Academy history, getting into the CIF quarterfinals. How are you going to improve on the season that you had last year?
Well, I think it's going to come down to experience, really. The guys, most of the returners, they're going to be juniors this year. Last year they were in 10th grade. So if they can improve their defense, their pitching, base running, and the hitting, I just see improvement across the board with all the players.
Okay, thank you. What about you, coach? We know you are new, but we want to know your expectations.
So yeah, what he said, like most of the team is junior, so I think the team was the same as it was last year, or almost the same. So we have a great opportunity to be better.
Do we have any new players this year?
Yeah, Juan Luis, so, I think he'll take over the catching duties, which is going to put Patrick Moore on the mound, also to play in the infield. So we have a new catcher, so I'm looking forward to having him in the infield with the catching responsibilities. It's really going to help our team.
We know that a girl is going to play in our team. What do you think about it, coach?
I think it's gonna be great. It's something new, so it's gonna be fun. She's gonna be good.
It's our first game, and where do we play?
Oh, it's Rosemead. It's an old-fashioned doubleheader. The first game will be at 10:30 in the morning against Rosemead at their place. And we played Rosemead in the quarterfinals. We played poorly on that day, so this is a chance for us to start the season running and get revenge on them.
Okay, this is all we have for today. I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, go Sun.
Good luck in this
Here I
year.
am with Juan Luis. So, Luis, how do you feel about being on the Southwestern baseball team?
So excited!
What position do you play?
Catcher and outfield.
Are you planning to hit home runs this season?
Yes, maybe I'm the champion of the home run.
Better than Patrick?
Yes.
Good luck, Luis. Hope you have a good season.
Juan Luis, out.
Here I am with.
Natalia.
How do you feel about being on the Southwestern baseball team?
I'm excited.
So excited!
What positions do you play?
Second base and infield, outfield.
How long have you played softball?
Like 10 years.
Okay, hope you have a good season. Good luck.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Sonia reporting for SunSpots. This weekend, our photography class went to the LA Zoo and took some really cool pictures. Let's go to the video.
This is Justin reporting for SunSpots again. Last week, the Arizona campus produced a video. Let's go check it out.
Years ago, the ranch campus was, in fact, a ranch. In addition to cattle, the original homesteaders grew fruit trees. It was common for ranches to have stock ponds for watering the cattle and irrigating the crops. On the Beaver Creek Ranch campus, we have 2 spring-fed ponds and an agricultural ditch that connects them.
Hi guys, this is Dead Horse reporting in for the Sunspot. I just got done researching the pond. Let's go check it out.
The history of the pond, it's, as far as I know, it's been here ever since the school was around, and I think that was in 1963, 64. The reason for the ponds and stuff, I think what we're using them for mainly is irrigation throughout the school.
So are there fish in the pond?
Yes, there are fish in the pond. There's 3 types of fish in the pond. There's a chub that's in the pond, there's some trout in the pond, and there's some smallmouth bass in the pond.
Do you fish in the pond?
Yeah, we do fish in the pond. We don't know how many fish there actually been in the pond, but over the last 2 years since I've been here, I'm actually feeding them and stuff, and we got a good little fishery in there now, and we have started fishing in it, and we don't fish in it a lot. We just catch a couple fish, release them back, and we go from there.
Is it safe to swim in the pond?
Yes, actually that pond is spring fed. It's the same water that we get for our drinking water for the campus. It's really clear actually. The water, we have probably an 8-foot visibility in the pond, so it's, yeah, you can swim.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Bruce.
Well, thank you. Thanks for having me.
Hi. This morning we had an amazing music concert that we enjoyed so much. Now let's go and watch it.